Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! If you love hiking, fishing, camping, or simply spending time at the beach, you know the importance of protecting yourself from the sun. That's why I'm excited to introduce the Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat, the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. First things first, let's talk about the UPF50+ protection this hat offers. It blocks a remarkable 98% of harmful UVA and UVB rays, so you can enjoy your time outside without worrying about sunburn or skin damage. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or chilling at the beach, this hat provides essential protection from the sun. But the Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat isn't just about sun protection, it's about comfort, too. Featuring breathable mesh sides, it allows air to flow around your head, keeping you cool even on the hottest days. Made with lightweight and durable fabric, it won't weigh you down, so you can stay comfortable during your activities. Whether you're climbing a trail or just relaxing in the garden. Worried about the wind? No problem. The Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat comes with an adjustable chin drawstring, keeping your hat secure even on breezy days. Say goodbye to chasing your hat around. Whether you're fishing or hiking, this hat stays put, giving you one less thing to worry about. Now, let's talk about the long neck flap. This unique feature offers extra protection for your neck, ensuring you're shielded from the sun for hours. Whether you're gardening, fishing, or spending time outdoors, the neck flap is a great addition to keep you safe from UV exposure. It's lightweight and breathable, so you'll stay cool and comfortable all day. The Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat is also packable, which makes it perfect for travel. You can easily fold it up and store it in your backpack, luggage, or beach bag without it taking up too much space. It's the ideal accessory for your next outdoor adventure, whether you're camping, hiking, or heading to the beach. As for the fit, the Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat features an adjustable rear drawstring, ensuring it fits most adult head sizes comfortably. Plus, it includes a moisture-wicking sweatband to keep you dry, even on the hottest days. No more sweat dripping into your eyes while you're out and about. And don't forget about style. The Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat is designed for both men and women, with a sleek, neutral look that complements any outdoor outfit. Whether you're going on a hike, fishing, or simply spending a day in the garden, this hat blends function with fashion. So what are you waiting for? The Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat is the perfect way to stay protected, comfortable and stylish in the sun. With UPF50+ protection, breathable mesh sides, adjustable chin strap, and neck flap, it's everything you need for your next outdoor adventure. Click the link in the description or pinned comment below to grab your Rosoz Outdoor Sun Hat today. Stay safe, stay cool, and most importantly, stay protected under the sun.